Unfortunately, banks have been raising this issue. They have been trying to conceal all information about their defaults, etc., from the people. And even when this issue of whether this information about defaulters, about Reserve Bank inspection reports being accessible to the general public under the RTI Act, when this issue came up, these banks, especially the RBI, went to the Supreme Court to challenge the orders issued by the Central Information Commission, saying that this is information which should be accessible under the RTI Act. So there were 10 cases which were decided by the Central Information Commission, holding that all this information, including defaults, including this Reserve Bank inspection reports, etc., all this information should be accessible to the public. At that time, before the Supreme Court, the Reserve Bank argued that no, this will compromise the economic stability of the country. This will compromise the private interests of these people who borrow money from the banks, etc. Every kind that this is fiduciary information, therefore it cannot be given out by the RBI. All these arguments were raised. Each one of those arguments were dealt with and comprehensively rejected. Even after that, and Reserve Bank was ordered to grant that, give that information. Even after that, Reserve Bank did not, and in fact issued a circular to the bank saying that these kind of information should not be given out. We went to the Supreme Court again with a contempt petition, and in that contempt petition, they were told that you better give this information, otherwise somebody will be sent to jail. Thereafter, they were forced to start giving that information. But then these individual banks went to the court. One after another, 10, 12 banks went to the court and obtained an ex parte stay against a judgment of the Supreme Court. Then we intervened in the matter, and thereafter those applications were dismissed. Now they have filed writ petitions saying that this judgment should not be applied to us. Now those writ petitions are going to be heard in another week or so. But what the point that I'm making is that these banks, especially public sector banks, they have no business to say that this information, they are dealing with public money. They are all public servants. All these directors of these various banks, etc., they have no business to say. And the only reason why they are saying that this information should not be given out is because they are acting in the interests of these crony capitalists who are being given loans at the instance on under pressure of the government, etc., sometimes even for corrupt considerations, that these people are being given money and they want to hide that information from the public. So one of the most important measures to stop these kind of bank scams is to ensure complete transparency about, especially about